Top 10 Worst Blizzards U.S. History, Part 2. 1. The Schoolhouse Blizzard. By the end of the storm, about 230 people, most of them children, were dead. 2. The Great Lakes Storm of 1913 stands as the deadliest natural disaster to ever hit the Great Lakes region, causing over 250 deaths. 3. The Storm of the Century. By the end of it all, 300-plus people were killed due to the strength and widespread energy of the storm. 4. The Great Appalachian Storm of 1950. The blizzard brought along snow and extremely heavy winds, one of the heaviest being reported in Concord, NH at 110 miles per hour. 5. The Great Blizzard of 1888 brought 40 to 50 inches of snow to many states, including Connecticut, Massachusetts, New York, and New Jersey.